Oltenita it's quite a small town, but it is located very, very close to Bucharest. And it's a small community of people, but as you have seen, the students are very calm, very cooperative, and the fact that they live in a small community makes them very eager to develop and to find better context for learning and for future lives, for future jobs. First student that took the Cambridge exam, I think it was about 10 years ago, we found out that there is this possibility for future development, and we found a number of students who were quite interested and very serious about their preparations. First we started with a small number of students. There were about 5 students per year, but we started to grow from 5 to 10 and 20 and 40 every year. And now I think it's growing because they realize the impact that it has later on in their lives.
Through us. It's an English exam that has 2 modules, and we have the GESE and the EECentre. The difference is that the graded examination in spoken English is with